In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Notion pages into image blocks, a handy technique that adds a visual element to your Notion workspace. Whether you're a seasoned Notion user or just starting out, this guide will help you enhance your pages with stylish image blocks. Let's start by opening your Notion app and accessing the page where you want to create an image block. If you haven't already created the page, you can do so by clicking on the plus sign next to New Page on the sidebar. Once there, navigate to the area in your Notion page where you plan to insert the image block. You can simply move your cursor to this section and click to activate the line, making it ready for content entry. The next step involves obtaining the image you want to use. If you already have a specific image in mind stored on your computer, make sure it's easily accessible. Otherwise, if you're searching for images online, remember to consider copyright rules and opt for high-quality, royalty-free images. This ensures your workspace stays professional and legally compliant. Now, let's focus on adding the image to the page. Click on the icon that appears to the left of the line when your cursor is active in Notion. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Image. This action will prompt you to upload an image from your device or via a URL link, if you're using one from an online source. Choose the appropriate option and locate your desired image file or paste the image link in the provided field. Upon successfully uploading or linking the image, it will appear right on your Notion page. Adjusting your image block can make a significant difference in how it enhances your page. You can click on the image and drag it to reposition it within the page, or hover over the image to access additional options. Here, you can resize the image by clicking and dragging on the corners, ensuring it fits perfectly within your layout. Additional customization options are available to further tailor the appearance and function of the image block. By using the three-dot menu found when you click on the image, you can replace the image, adjust its alignment, or even add a caption to provide context or explanation to your viewers or collaborators. Captions are particularly useful for providing details or documenting image sources. That's all for this tutorial. Transforming Notion pages into image blocks not only helps you make your notes more visually appealing but also aids in organizing and presenting your information in a more engaging way. Don't hesitate to explore additional layouts and styles for your image blocks to find what works best for your projects. I'm excited to see how you integrate these techniques into your own Notion workspaces. Happy creating!